Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial of modeling, we have the case where you can't align some vertices in your 3D model. So the method of flatten faces, it's great. Sometimes you need to flatten several polygonal faces together. In this case, I select one vertex. After selecting just one vertex at the center, we should expand with Control numpad, expand the selection. So Control numpad plus, like this. Click until you cover the area you want to select. So press S like this, and X. So it's restricted to the X-axis. Then hit 0 is gonna be creating all this and making all these vertices at the same plane, so that selection is scaled to 0 on the X-axis. Hit or click on the left mouse button to confirm the operation. To take care of the edge, go to Edge Select mode and double click on the edge to select the entire loop. Press SX0 to scale that edge loop to 0. Alternatively, you can use the Loop Tools add-on, which comes with Blender by default, and use the Flatten function when you have all the faces selected. And that's it for this tutorial. It's a great and amazing feature if you want to align some vertices, or to flatten, or to relax. And you can see it in the next tutorials in Loop Tools add-on. Thanks for watching.